Look at Don't grab me, okay?
So you have to take this and do this. It is all shrink because of this, because
Storage.
because of storage. Every leaves are pressed against each other, so you have to make it relaxed so that this looks nice.
So today we're going to put the first ornament. And mommy, yours too. Here, the last one here.
Ooh. Wow. അങ്ങനെയില്ലേ?
Now let's light up the third candle. The third candle is joy.
Can you sing a song with joy?
Yup. This is a joy candle.
Joy.
third candle is Christmas.
I love you, Tony.
Thanks. And
Love
4
you,
more days until Christmas.
Okay.
And I got a surprise for Mommy.
Oh, what is the surprise? Let's go.
This is the birthday cake for a surprise. Let's get Mommy. Mommy!
Yes, Tony.
I think
This
mommy.
is a surprise for you.
I think mommy is this side.
That's it. Cake, ah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for the cake, Tony. And the cake.
Strawberry cloud. Oops. Let's unbox it, Mommy.
Okay, Tony. Oh, do that camera. It looks so
Can you guys turn it this side? I want to see. This side, this side. It is
Smells like-
strawberry.
good job.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எப்போ லாங்கில் இருந்தால் வரும்
Job.
லாங்கில் இருந்தால் வரணும் அப்போ தான் வந்து இப்போ கையை அந்த பக்கம் வைக்கும்போது கை படாது
And
கீழே வந்துடாம
good job.
ஓகே
அது ஊதிடு. Give me that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear
Mommy.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Daddy. Udlama.
Yeah.
I'm going to make a wish.
Okay. Single blow and every candle is went off.
I want to take the second half, Mommy.
Mm.
எடுங்க டக்கு டக்குன்னு எடுங்க
Taran, taran, tang.
Let's cut.
Okay.
Remember that happy birthday is a chocolate.
Well,
one?
let's cut it
Yeah.
first.
Yeah, that's a chocolate.
Jing, jing. Di ba ganun may cut pa naman, Tony?
I'm going to cut this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think we need to do it. Can we cut? Can we?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gemma. Happy birthday to you.
We need a spoon, Daddy.
இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவன் எடுத்து போடணும்
அது எடுக்கிறது தான் ஸ்பூன் வேணும் ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக வேண்டாம் மேலே ஒன்று கீழே ஒன்று It's full of strawberry, so it's not coming as a whole.